Listen to me. Our flag has the colors red, white, blue, and yellow. It has 3 stars and the sun. Each sun has 8 rays. The flag is the symbol of our country. So what do you think is the main idea? Underline the main idea.
No, follow the journal na. Animals.
Oh, number 4. Read mo na.
But I'm ready reading.
Okay. Listen to me. I'm gonna read it for you. Annie and Rika play in the sand. They look for shells. They dig for clams. They swim and swim. Annie and Rika's trip to the beach is fun. Tama. Okay.
Because tamali ang teacher. Because
Sabay ang teacher, hindi naman. Oh. Okay. So this, number 5, this is like a short story, okay? So what is the short story about? It's about whom?
Annie and Rita.
Ami and Rika's what?
Trip the beach.
Trip to the beach. Saan na yun? Okay. Yes. Very good. Trip to the beach. Hindi pa, it's not a complete sentence.
I just put it.
Do not connect. Yan. Okay, very good.
I will just put it here.
Huwag na lagyan. That's enough. This is the instruction. A. Arrange the words to make meaningful non-sentences. Write your answers on the lines provided.
I made that look like perfect. Look like
Yeah, to make it a perfect sentence. Okay? Like this one, number 1. Blank early woke up. What is the...
a job good.
Ano?
A job good.
Okay, oh. Ayusin mo yung sentence. Arrange it.
I say good job.
Ah,
A good job.
oh, bakit dalawa o? One o lang ang job.
Good job.
Okay.
Good job.
Oh, listen. Okay. So, magagalang na pagbati. Paano bumati ng magalang? Sa umaga, anong sasabihin?
Magandang umaga po, teacher.
Ayun. Kapag hapon, anong sasabihin?
Magandang umaga rin naman sa'yo.
Sa hapon.
Hapon, okay. Magandang hapon po, teacher.
Ayun, okay. This one, Tagalog. Picture 1.
Magandang umaga po.
Okay. Ito naman.
Nanay.
Hindi ano ganun. Okay. Sige, pwede din. Ito. Tingnan mo. Ang tanghali. Oh, stop it. Don't write anything. Okay, this picture. Look at this picture naman. Ano ang
Principal.
principal? Yeah, look at the time. It's 4. 4 o'clock. So, ano ang sabi ng mga bata sa principal?
Gandang umaga. No, gandang tahali.
Magandang hapon because it's 4 o'clock. Magandang hapon. Ito naman, the 4th picture. Stay seated.
Magandang. Dark time po.
Dark time. So, anong sasabihin magandang? Ano ang dark time?
Umaga.
Hindi umaga. Magandang. Ano ang dark time? Ano yun? Dark time means
Means,
gabi.
Gabi.
O, so ano sasabihin? Magandang.
Gabi po. I will just make this perfect.
Okay. Oh, listen to the instruction. Match the objects in group. Ikaw na magbasa.
Match the objects in group A to the objects in group B. One has been done for you.
This.
Yeah.
The group A has how many?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. This is the group B. The
1,
group
2,
B
3,
has
4, 5.
5. So, do group A and group B have the same numbers?
No.
So, yun. Put the answer.
No.
Alright. Oh, do the number 2. Match daw, match.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, you need,
6,
wait lang. We skip the matching part. You need to match them.
It's not the same. I say no.
Yeah. Do this. I think you need to draw a line like this. Oh, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, o, diba? Hindi mo kasi binasa. Okay. Group, you need the letter. Group G or group H has more. Which one has more?
8.
Oh, you put the H here.
Ito, G. G
Group?
has less.
Alright.
G has less.
Okay, oh, this, go to the page. Number 5. Count and compare. Oh, you put the
1, 2, 1, 2.
count and compare. Put the
1,
number,
2, 3,
your answer here.
This is 4.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. It's this thing.
Okay. So the question. Oh, read the question.
Those group, I have as many as group J.
Group I has have as many as group J ba? Are they the same?
No. No.
Alright. Number, you understand na, yung mga Filipino. Pare-parehas ba ang mga Pilipino?
Yeah.
Hindi. Ano ang mga iba-ibang Pilipino?
Ibang Filipino.
Oh,
Called look like black skin,
Okay.
brown skin,
Mm.
white skin, pointed nose then. And
tapos some are not, diba?
yeah, sometimes my big nose or
May
like
big
this.
nose.
Oh,
May ganyan, tapos may pointed nose.
yeah.
How about the eyes?
I sing the same one.
Hindi same din, diba? Pero, we are all the same Filipinos.